Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into one of the most mind-blowing concepts in astrophysics, the multiverse. Imagine, if you will, that our universe, as vast and mysterious as it is, isn't the only one out there. This isn't just science fiction, folks. It's a real concept that physicists and cosmologists grapple with, raising profound questions about the nature of reality and our place in the grand scheme of, well, everything. So let's start with the basics. The concept of the multiverse is both fascinating and mind-boggling. It's the idea that our universe is just one of an infinite number of universes, each with its own unique set of physical laws, constants, and histories. Imagine a universe for every possible outcome of every single event that has ever happened. Every decision, every chance encounter, every twist of fate creates a new branch in the multiverse. You missed your bus this morning? No worries, in another universe you caught it right on time. It's a comforting thought, isn't it? That somewhere out there, another version of you is having a slightly better day. Spilled coffee on your favorite shirt? Hey, there's a universe out there where you looked super smooth, not a drop spilled. It's like having a cosmic do-over, a second chance to get things right. This is the essence of the multiverse of infinite possibility. It's a realm where every conceivable scenario plays out, where every what-if becomes a reality. This idea is kind of comforting, don't you think? It suggests that no matter what happens, there's always another version of events where things turned out differently. It means that every decision you make, every path you don't take, every opportunity seized or missed, they all exist somewhere. Every choice leads to a new universe, a new reality. It's a bit like a cosmic safety net, assuring you that even if things don't go your way in this particular universe, there's a whole other reality where they did. It's a way of thinking that can bring a sense of peace and possibility. Think about the implications for a moment. The multiverse theory opens up endless possibilities and scenarios. What if the ancient Egyptians had never built the pyramids? How would history have unfolded differently? What if the Roman Empire had never fallen? Imagine the technological and cultural advancements that might have occurred. What if, and this is a big one, Pluto was still considered a planet? How would our understanding of the solar system be different? In the multiverse of infinite possibility, all of these alternate histories, all these what-ifs actually played out somewhere. Every conceivable version of reality exists. Now, I know what you're thinking. If there are infinite universes, is there one where I'm a billionaire astronaut rock star? Well, maybe, maybe not. The multiverse is vast and unpredictable. The multiverse doesn't necessarily guarantee your wildest dreams, but it does suggest that every conceivable reality, no matter how improbable, exists somewhere in the vast cosmic tapestry. It's a place where imagination meets reality. It's like flipping a coin. Each flip creates a new universe with a different outcome. Every time you flip, there's a chance for heads and a chance for tails. Both outcomes exist, but in separate universes. In the multiverse of infinite possibility, both of those outcomes occur, but each in a separate universe. It's a mind-bending concept that challenges our understanding of reality. So buckle up, fellow cosmic travelers, as we continue our journey through the mind-bending world of the multiverse. There's so much more to explore and discover. Now let's talk about a multiverse theory that adds a whole new layer of complexity and, frankly, coolness. The butterfly effect multiverse. You know the butterfly effect, right? The idea that a butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil can set off a chain of events that ultimately leads to a hurricane in Florida. It's a fascinating concept that shows how interconnected everything is. Well, imagine that same concept, but on a cosmic scale. Picture every tiny action rippling out across the universe, creating new realities with every flap of a wing or blink of an eye. In the butterfly effect multiverse, every single action, no matter how small, creates a new branch of reality. It's like a tree with infinite branches, each one representing a different possible outcome. That means every breath you take, every word you speak, every decision you make splits the universe into two, each following a different path based on that single action. It's a mind-boggling thought, isn't it? It's like a choose-your-own-adventure book on steroids. Every choice leads to a new chapter, a new storyline, a new universe. Did you decide to have pizza for dinner instead of salad? Boom, new universe. And in that universe, who knows what other choices you'll make? Wore your blue socks instead of your red ones? Another universe branches off. It's amazing to think about how even the smallest decisions can have such a huge impact. It's enough to make you question every decision, isn't it? But don't let it overwhelm you. But here's the thing, the butterfly effect multiverse isn't just about random chaos. It's about the incredible potential we have to shape our own destinies. It also suggests that we have an incredible amount of agency in shaping reality. Every choice we make, no matter how small, has the power to create a whole new universe. Every action we take, every decision we make, has the potential to create a new reality. It's a powerful reminder of the impact we have on the world around us. That's a lot of responsibility, but it's also incredibly empowering. Knowing that we have the power to shape our own destinies is a truly liberating thought. Think about it. In one universe, you might be a world-renowned chef because you decided to take that cooking class, and in another, you might have taken a completely different path. In another, you might be a successful entrepreneur because you had the courage to start your own business. The possibilities are endless. The possibilities are literally endless. And they all stem from the choices we make. Every decision opens up a new world of possibilities. So, go out there and make some choices, folks. Create some universes. Embrace the power you have to shape your own reality. Let's face it, life can be tough. We've all faced challenges, setbacks, and moments where we wished things had gone differently. But what if I told you there's a multiverse theory that offers a comforting perspective on even the most difficult situations? Enter the Many Helping Hands multiverse. In this multiverse, every decision we make doesn't just split the universe in two, it splits it into countless universes, each representing a different possible outcome. Imagine you're facing a difficult decision, a fork in the road of life. In the Many Helping Hands multiverse, each possible path you could take branches off, creating a universe where you chose that specific path. Now here's where it gets really interesting. In some of these universes, things might go terribly wrong. You might make the wrong choice, leading to negative consequences, but in other universes, you'll find that things work out for the best. You'll make the right decision, leading to positive outcomes. The Many Helping Hands multiverse suggests that there's always a universe where things go right, where you find happiness, where you achieve your goals. It's a comforting thought, knowing that even if things are tough in this particular universe, there's another you out there who's thriving. Think of it like this. Imagine you're playing a video game and you reach a particularly challenging level. You might fail multiple times, making different choices each time. But eventually, in one of those playthroughs, you'll make the right choices, overcome the obstacles, and beat the level. So the next time you're feeling lost or discouraged, remember the Many Helping Hands multiverse. Okay, folks, buckle up because we're about to dive into a multiverse theory that's as awe-inspiring as it is terrifying. The black hole multiverse. Now, we've all heard of black holes, those cosmic monsters with gravitational pulls so strong that not even light can escape them. These enigmatic entities have fascinated scientists and the general public alike for decades. But what if I told you that black holes might not be dead ends, but rather gateways to other universes? Yes, you heard that right. These cosmic phenomena could be the key to unlocking the mysteries of the multiverse. The black hole multiverse theory proposes that the singularity at the heart of a black hole, the point where all matter is compressed into an infinitely small point, could be a portal to another universe. This idea challenges our understanding of space and time. Imagine it, you fall into a black hole expecting to be crushed into oblivion, but instead you emerge into a whole new universe, perhaps governed by different laws of physics and harboring unimaginable wonders. The possibilities are endless and mind-boggling. It's a tantalizing idea, but here's the catch. While the black hole multiverse allows for the possibility of interdimensional travel, it doesn't exactly paint a rosy picture of what awaits on the other side. The journey itself could be perilous. You see, the intense gravitational forces inside a black hole would stretch and compress anything that enters it, a process known as spaghettification. This means that any traveler would be subjected to extreme physical distortions. So while you might technically make it to another universe, you'd be arriving as, well, let's just say a very long and thin version of yourself. The concept of spaghettification is both fascinating and horrifying. But let's say, for the sake of argument, that you could somehow survive the journey through the black hole intact. What then? What kind of universe would you find yourself in? What kind of universe would you emerge into? Well, that's where things get really interesting. The nature of the universe on the other side could be radically different from our own. Some physicists believe that each black hole could lead to a universe with its own unique set of physical laws and constants. This means that the fundamental forces and particles could behave in ways we can't even imagine. Imagine a universe where gravity is weaker, allowing for towering structures and flying creatures, or perhaps a universe where the speed of light is different, altering the very fabric of reality. Or a universe where time flows differently, where you could age at a different rate or even travel through time. The black hole multiverse theory opens up a realm of possibilities that are as exciting as they are daunting. So there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the mind-boggling world of multiverse theories. The multiverse is more than just a collection of cool what-ifs. It's a call to embrace the unknown, to question our assumptions, and to imagine the truly unimaginable.